Looking for a quick flavor-packed dish that's colorful and absolutely satisfying? Hello friends, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries, and today I'm sharing an oriental style broccoli paneer stir fry, a perfect balance of crisp broccoli, soft paneer and bold chili garlic flavors. Well, this recipe comes together in minutes, needs very few ingredients, and tastes just like restaurant style stir fry but with a wholesome homemade touch. And whether you are planning a quick lunch, a light dinner, or a delicious side dish, this stir fry is going to be your next favorite. So let's get started with this interesting recipe. And here I have taken around 250 grams of paneer or cottage cheese cut into this shape and size. And now I'm going to prepare a spice mix to coat the paneer cubes. For that we'll take a bowl and into it goes some white pepper. If you don't have white pepper then you can add black pepper also. Then goes some salt as per taste, some garlic powder and some chili flakes. Now let's mix the seasonings well. And our spice mix is ready. And now I'm going to coat the cottage cheese or paneer pieces with the prepared spice mix. Let's rub and coat the spice mix on both the sides of the paneer pieces. And we will let them rest for about 10-15 minutes. Next here I have taken some broccoli florets cut into medium sized portions and I have steamed them for faster cooking in the pan. So they are slightly soft and tender now. Then for this recipe you'll also need some onion, yellow and red bell peppers cut into chunks of medium portions as well as lots of finely chopped garlic. I have used here 3 large garlic pots. And now let's prepare a flavorful sauce. For that we will take a bowl and into it goes a teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Next goes a tablespoon of tomato chili sauce. I'm also adding here a tablespoon of Schezwan sauce for some extra spiciness since we are making chili garlic sauce. Along with that goes a tablespoon of vinegar and a teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors. I'll add little water to make this sauce of running consistency. And now let's mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined. And our sweet, sour and spicy sauce is ready. So now let's start with the cooking process. For that I'm going to heat little vegetable oil, say around a tablespoon of it. We'll spread the oil on all the sides of the pan. And when the oil is hot enough, we will place the paneer or cottage cheese coated with the seasonings. We'll keep the flame on medium and we need to saute them until they turn golden brown from both the sides. After a few seconds, we'll flip the paneer or cottage cheese and we will saute the other side for another few seconds until they are done. And by now the paneer pieces are well sauteed from both the sides. So I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Now in the same pan with the remaining oil left, we'll add the finely chopped garlic. And on medium flame, we will saute them until they turn golden brown and aromatic. And once the garlic turns golden brown in color, we will add the steamed broccoli florets. On medium to high flame, we will stir the broccoli florets for a few seconds along with the garlic. I'm going to add now a pinch of salt to the broccoli florets. Let's stir and mix them once. Next into this goes the onion and bell pepper chunks. And now we need to stir them for just few seconds until the color of the onion chunks slightly changes as we also want to retain their crunch. And now I'm going to add the white part of the spring onions. Let's give this a stir. And now I'm going to season the veggies with the spice mix which we had made earlier to season the paneer pieces. Let's stir and mix the seasonings well with the veggies. And now time to add the sauteed paneer or cottage cheese into the pan. We'll stir them for a few seconds along with the veggies. Finally goes into this our sweet, sour and spicy sauce. Now let's coat the sauce well with the veggies and paneer so that all the lovely flavors of the sauce along with the garlic is well infused with them. And now I'm going to let them simmer in this sauce for a few seconds. And just before turning off the flame, I will add the green part of spring onions as well as some toasted white sesame seeds. And that's our chili garlic broccoli paneer stir fry. Fiery, vibrant and bursting with flavors. And I'm going to serve them hot right away. So friends, I hope you will try this quick, easy and delicious broccoli paneer stir fry infused with chili garlic flavors. And you can enjoy them along with noodles, fried rice or as a side dish as it tastes amazing every way. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks and you can check out my other easy, interesting and flavorful home style recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and enjoy good food, good life.